Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Gemini wallet application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into Gemini wallet app, first make sure that you've downloaded the Gemini wallet application on your mobile device. Once you have it, give it a tap to open and you'll end up in the main homepage of Gemini. Go and tap on the human icon at the top right hand corner, and now from the settings menu, tap on sign in button at the bottom. To log into Gemini account, you'll need to type in your email followed by your password associated with Gemini. In the first text box, type in your email address. Once you do that, go to the next field where it says password and type in your password correct as well. Once you type in your password, you can double check the password by tapping on the show button at the right hand corner. If you've forgotten your password during logging in, tap on forgot password link and follow the instructions in order to reset to a new password. After typing in your credentials, tap the login button and follow the on-screen prompts. On the next page, you'll need to verify your mobile number. Simply enter your login code that has been sent on your mobile number and you'll be able to log into your Gemini account. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.